So from my book, Surviving American Medicine, let me read a little bit from the introduction. The fact is, times have changed, and they're not changing back. In today's American healthcare landscape, you are now in charge of your own well-being. You are steering the boat, so to speak. And to do so efficiently and well, you need to know how to navigate the waters. That's what this book is designed to do, to help you make choices about your health care so you will feel confident that you're getting the best treatment possible. You'll learn what goes on behind the doors of hospitals and insurance companies, so you'll know how to get the best doctors, how to argue false charges on your bills, how to pick the best insurance coverage, and how to ensure that at the end of the day, you're in control. I give stories of my patients, and one of my patients said, "Whatever you do, I want my story to get out, and I want you to use my name." And so let me tell you about one of my patients, Preventing Illness, Chapter 9. Michael Landon was 54, at the top of his career, and excited about launching his new TV series. He'd also been experiencing severe abdominal pain for about a month, so he visited his primary doctor. He was told he had too much stomach acid. He was given some antacid medications and sent home. But on a ski trip with his family, the pain became unbearable. He flew home early, had blood tests and CT scans, and that night he was given a grim diagnosis: pancreatic cancer that had spread to his liver. After a biopsy confirming the pancreatic adenocarcinoma, Michael underwent 2 standard chemotherapy treatments and decided chemo was not for him. He attempted alternative treatments, but the tumor progressed. He felt he was failing. At that point, I saw Michael, started him on a new treatment program, an investigational therapy on a clinical trial, and I talk about clinical trials in the book. And he did well, appearing in television and continuing to work for some time. But then his illness began to progress. So let me continue with the point that is so important about Michael Landon. But Michael had not known about his family's dark history of colon and stomach cancers, diseases that had struck more than half his relatives.